Greetings all. Hey, today's video is on why I don't give away free shit. Johnny Muhammad here. And the reason why I don't give away free shit is because of the quality of customer that you get when you start giving stuff away free. I've been in the martial arts for past 30 years teaching, and one of the main mistakes that my masterful teacher did was that he didn't charge a premium for his services. He did not charge a premium for his services, and oftentimes so many of the students would come and they would say, hey, I don't have the money this month. And he was so nice and stuff, he just let them go, to the point where he had to get a job. He was an LA sheriff, so he had a pretty good job, but he had to get a job. But what it did was the fact that he didn't charge and he gave away his services for free, it demeaned the value of the service. And that's the problem with free stuff. Now, if Apple decided to give away something free, their quality of product is already established. That's already something that's established. So they can give away free discounts here or something like that. But when the quality of your product or service isn't already established and you try to bring in customers with something free, like a free ebook, a free this, a free that, not necessarily a free consultation. That's not the same thing, because you're just talking on the phone and you're just finding out whether they're going to be a right fit for your company or not. The whole thing about free is that it devalues your product or service, because the customer's first or client's first initial reaction or introduction to you is free. So if it's free, most people don't value anything that's free. Everything that's free is undervalued. We don't value the air that we breathe because we don't pay for the air. But I guarantee you, as soon as you have to start paying a tax to breathe, you're going to start valuing the air. We don't value the water, so we destroy the water because the water is free. Everything that's of high value, it seems to be free, but we demean that because it's free. So it's like a catch-22. Because it's free, we don't think it has value. But a lot of things in life that are free they have an immense value. But unfortunately, in business, it doesn't work that way. I value an iPad because it costs a lot of money. If I find an iPad or something equivalent to an iPad, but it costs $50, I'm immediately going to say, well, it's not as valuable as an iPad, because it's the price fluctuation and the value that's associated with it. So I don't give away free shit. My services cost, because my services, if you follow the steps of our group, we have coaches, we have everything, we can actually take your business and yourself from zero to $250,000 in lines of O.P.M, other people's money, and teach you the system on how to actually build that to where if you lost it because that business failed, you would be able to make it again. And that is valuable, and that's why I don't just give that shit away for free.